The Rangers pick is in.
New York Rangers select from Luleå in the Swedish Hockey League, D Lundkvist.
Keep in mind, he played in the SHL this year as a 17-year-old defenseman and was very good. Excellent head, excellent hands. He knows how to get himself in the right positions to take advantage of opportunities. So defensively, he can beat the pressure, can shake a check, really good with the puck. But more than anything, when you watch a defenseman that might not be the biggest guy, he digs in and he competes. And when you look at other players that maybe not similar size, similar stature, yeah, you know that that's not a strength of his, but he gets in there. And that's what you're looking for, because you think with physical maturity he'll be able to handle it.
Well, he's also a Lundkvist going to the Rangers, so perhaps he just takes best available Lundkvist.
Spelled a little differently. It's Kvist, not Qui. Was named the best defenseman in the second division, the Swedish Junior League this year. I should point out he was number 36 on our list. 4 of the 10 scouts I talked to did have him ranked as a first-round pick.
He reminds me of Sammy Vatanen.
That's the guy I was just
going to
like
go.
Sammy.
Go ahead. Yep.
No, we're on the same page. He reminds me a ton of Sammy Vatanen, who's obviously a Finn, came out of Jyväskylä, Finland, which is in the central part of their country. Luleå is way up north in Sweden. But that's who this player reminds me of, Sammy Vatanen.
And when you think about players, you know, this player wasn't even on the radar for a potential first-round draft pick entering this year. But he just kept showing a potential and a capability. And when you're in the SHL, the Swedish Hockey League, which is the top league, and you do as well as he did as a 17-year-old, people stand up and take notice.
That is a man's league. Like, that is a big boy league, and that is on par almost with the American Hockey League. When you're 17 years old playing in that league, that's really good.
New York Rangers started the night with 3 first-round picks. They made a move, but they still finished up with 3 first-round picks.